Ilang linggo na lang, bare months na. Nandito na ulit ang Christmas shopping at tugtugan ng Christmas carols.
Napaaga na nga sa Juan Ayala Mall sa Makati ang holiday season itong weekend nang mag-perform ang Philharmonic Orchestra kasama ang Christmas icon na si Jose Marichan.
Starting the Christmas season, I don't know why they chose me to sing. They say Christmas belongs to children. And who makes Christmas special for us? It's our parents. It's our family. And so, I would like to introduce a new Christmas song today. It's called A Child Again at Christmas.
Emosyonal pa nga siya ng kumanta. Early Christmas gift pang nakuha ang audience mula sa kanya. Namigay si Jose Marichan ng copy ng latest album niya para sa mga may birth month ng August. Sino ba naman ang hindi mapapakanta kasabay niya? Sa event na ito, may Christmas tree lighting at may sharing pa ng impormasyon tungkol sa financial literacy and planning. Di kasi kaila na sobra-sobra ang gastos ng mga Pinoy tuwing holiday season. Maging ang singer and composer nga may paalala.
The spirit of Christmas is in giving and sharing. So, not only this Christmas, but every day of the year, let's share our blessings. Don't even have second thoughts. Share, especially with those who are in need. So, may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts 365 days a year.
Ngayong malapit na ang holiday season, ihanda raw hindi lang ang budget pambili ng regalo, kundi pati ang pagmamahal na ibabahagi. Mobile Journal, Mary Mon Reyes po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.